This is awesome. Hello everybody, coming at you with all my might. It is Smite. How you guys doing today? I got my BMW F800GS with my studded tires on an icy road. Icy slash slushy. I'm out of breath. We're gonna try to go up this hill. I'm gonna take it a little bit easily. I got my new helmet. Check this out. I'm so stoked. Oh man, the audio might be a little bit different. I'm gonna have to check. This is my first run on the helmet, but let me tell you what, for years I had the GoPro mounted up on my bill for about 5 years, and now that it's not there and I can see, it's amazing. I can't believe how much that was actually blocking. All right, we're gonna give this a shot. It looks like snowmobiles have gone up this. Ooh. Oh, this is crazy. Oh man, and I thought I was going to be able to talk while doing this. Oh, I think that's all she wrote. Oh, I can't flip up the shield. I don't have a shield to flip up. Oh, why did I say that's all she wrote? Oh man, this is hard. It's all packed down. I have to get on the back. And I gotta make sure the rear end doesn't walk around too much on me, because then it will shoot me over the cliff. Oh man. Woo. Oh, this is crazy. Oh, watch the front. Woo. Whew. I came unplugged. I don't really need gear anyhow. Yeah. Well, now my goggles are starting to fog up a little bit. All right, come on. Oh man, the glasses do fog, even though they're double pane, but I'm breathing really heavy in here. Oh man. Oh, we're going backwards. Ah. Oh no. I think I needed to rail it, but this is sketchy. I'm surprised they made it this far. This is awesome. Oh no. I'm gonna try to get... I can't get it to start. No, there's no incident. My God, my GPS is like, incident detected. No incident. Whoa, not yet. Holy crap. Yep, we're gonna turn around if we can make it that far. It's just the steep incline with the weight of this bike. If I can safely turn it around. All right, come on, baby. Swing around on me, easy now. I need deeper studs for all this ice. I'm surprised how far I am. Ooh, don't launch yourself over the cliff. Okay, now we're going downhill. Let me put my goggles back on. All right, it's go time. It's gonna take it easy. Try not to die. Stay off the front brake. Let that sucker roll. Oh, holy crap. This is sketchy as heck. I'm so proud of me for trying this. I say that only because I'm crazy. I really didn't make all that far. Alright, we're not moving fast enough. A little bit to get used to. I mean, I'm sure I can't feel my fingers. Where the heck is the strap? Alright. There we go. Once you get moving, there's plenty of airflow. But it's that sitting still crap. Whoa! You gotta watch it. Oh no. This bike is way too big to be doing this. Alright, now it's getting steeper. I dug a trench coming up here. Holy cow. Oh. All right, so that's enough of that. Whew. Let's go on the dirt road over there. It shouldn't be as icy. And honestly, it's just how deep it is. So I can't get, I don't dig deep enough. Oh. Do. He's like, probably like, you're insane. I'm like, yeah, I know. He's going up to his cabin. That was fun. I can't believe that.